this is crazy. I am in my new car. I am headed to St. Louis. I'll just bring you guys along. This one is more of a travel video. It is really cold out. And I'm wearing, if you guys saw me on Instagram, you would have seen I am wearing this new like blazer that I got, and I'm really excited. I'm trying to work with this light, but it's not working with me. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. But yeah, I'm headed out to St. Louis. To my first stop, but it's really interesting. I feel like, okay, it's probably not that interesting, but I'm from a small town where we have like really little gas stations, and I just pulled into one, and it's really big and has like 3 pumps in a row. I don't know, maybe that's normal. I just thought it was funny. I want to tell you guys where I'm headed. I haven't already said it. I'm going to St. Louis, and I am going to be on a support day of team. Probably the best way to explain it. So this is not a wedding that I coordinated or anything. I had no hand in the planning process. I will just be showing up day of to assist. So I'm really excited to be traveling for this and going up there, and team that I'm working with is going to be so fun. There's 2 other girls, the head planner, like the owner, and then 1 other girl who will be doing like similarly to what I'll be doing. And staying up there after the wedding, and then since it's St. Louis, I am probably gonna go to like a coffee shop. Potentially, we'll see. And then I'm also going to go shopping tomorrow, and I have some client work that I can actually hopefully knock out up there. I'm curious what you guys' like go-to breakfast order. 1, are you a McDonald's person? And if not, what do you like? Where do you go? Because fun fact, most like breakfast sandwiches or like breakfast foods, I feel like have egg in them. If you didn't know, I am allergic to egg, so I really like it if I can find something that this lighting that I can have, and a sausage and cheese like McMuffin thing from McDonald's is very good. Also, I'm hoping nobody thinks I'm weird for like talking to myself. Hopefully it just looks like I'm on the phone right now. But yeah, so I got a McMuffin and I'm very excited. Good. So anyway, that's what I'm grabbing. So we have made it to Chesterfield. Wedding's not in Chesterfield. I just decided that I wanted to stop here because 1, I'm slightly familiar with this area of St. Louis. 2, I wanted to stop at Target. So since I am staying overnight, I probably will get out late from the wedding, meaning I don't know what like restaurants will be open, like if I want like a snack or dinner, like just like food, even though we'll eat at the wedding and things. Yeah, I am gonna grab just like a snack, that way I have something I know I can snack on later. And then I am gonna look and see if they have this dress. They did not have it at my Target at home, and I'll just say it now, if they have it, I'm changing because I really want to wear this dress. No clue if they'll have it, but yeah, I always, for some reason, like wedding days equal Targets for me. I don't know why. I guess I've went to Target a lot before a wedding. Either like I'm grabbing snacks, I don't know, like for me Target just equals like a wedding day. I don't know, and I don't go to Target much anymore. Like I don't shop there really, like weekly. Like I shop there for sure, but I just don't go there. So yeah, this is my little, like, I guess you could call it like I center myself before I go to a wedding. I don't know, I'm kind of just rambling at this point, but yeah, I'm gonna run in real quick. Okay guys, quick little Target haul. Makeup wipes, since I'm staying overnight. Makes it really easy. I don't use these all the time, but I just grabbed some of these. Mara bar, I got some almonds, and then I got some popcorn. It's only 10:40 now, so I'm going to get all my stuff together. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a larger bag in with me that'll have like a snack or 2 if I need it. It'll also have my change of clothes, because for me, like how wedding days work is we usually wear like our nice clothes for majority of the day, unless we're like setting up or anything, and I will not be helping with any like setup. Like I will be client facing, which just means I'll be working very closely with the client, bride and groom. So I'll already be in like my like ceremony clothes, so black, which I said before is great. That it's just like a perk of working in the wedding industry is you get to wear all black. To some people that might seem really weird. I personally love wearing black. I just feel like it just elevates your look. It's easy. Yeah, I love wearing black. So I'm going to put together my bigger bag, and then I have like my fanny pack crossbody bag that in my last video I actually said that I lost. I did not lose it. It was just stuffed inside my backpack, which is, yeah, I had not lost it. It was just in there, and I didn't look very hard, I guess, for it. So I have that this time. I'll keep like my lipstick, my phone, my keys with me, but then I have like my change of clothes and anything usually stashed away somewhere else or to where I can get it easily. Is what I will be doing now, just getting all that together. I have made it to the room. It is like almost 12:15, 12:30, so I'm gonna get a snack and go to bed. So the last time that I went and stayed overnight, like in a hotel, I actually vlogged it, oddly enough, and it was a year ago, 2 years ago, something like that. So I thought I'd give you guys a little quick room tour, because why not? And honestly, I love that video. I don't know, there's just something special about that video, and I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the room real quick. Okay, so as you can tell, yes, I have stuff in here, but we have a cozy bed, got me, very tired, TV, you know, just the normal stuff. But in my opinion, it is the little things. So getting to stay overnight. Also, this is what I wore today. I probably never showed you guys very well. This is a new blazer that I got. I've had this dress. It's just a little black one, some tights, and then these boots from Target. And then the bathroom's also pretty standard, but really nice. And yeah, so anyway, now I am going to get comfortable. Alright, hello you guys. It is now the next morning. I slept so good. I did wake up randomly from a dream, and I can't remember what it was now. But I slept really good. And it is like 9:15, and I am determined to get any final homework done, because since I'm up here, I want to work on some client work as well. So this video is probably not going up for a little while. I don't know. I feel like I might not edit it, but then I also want to at the same time. My computer here, that's what I'm looking at. So I want to potentially go shopping to finish up getting a few more items, see if I can find them up here. But I also have homework due. If I'm being honest, I think I like this angle better. So yeah, the hope is to get all of this done, and then I can run around and get other things done. Yeah, and then also because I have a drive home, I don't want to like run around and do stuff all day and then know like I have to go home and do homework. I would just prefer to have it done. I also thought it was a little iconic. So I found this randomly at a thrift store like years ago, and I was getting out like my fall winter stuff, and I found it, and I was like, I'm bringing it with me. So yes, anyway, that is what I am doing. Hopefully I can get this stuff done really quickly, and then get ready, and I'm gonna get some homework done and then get out of here and get my day started. Hey guys, so I am now dressed and ready. I, oddly enough, had a different outfit packed, but then realized that I could make an outfit out of what I wore last night. So I put on just a little black turtleneck, my same blazer, and a pair of jeans, and some Air Forces. And I'm getting ready to head out now. I need to figure out what I'm close to, because honestly, I don't know St. Louis very well at all. So yeah, I'm gonna go get checked out. It's about 10:45, and see where today takes me. I did not get all the way through my homework either. I have some more like paper stuff I need to look at, and like one more math problem. So I'm gonna have that to work on later, which is fine. It just feels good to have something almost done and things. So anyway, I'm gonna head out and I will bring you guys along. Okay, so IKEA went absolutely amazing. They had some things in there. One, their Christmas stuff is out and it's like not even middle of October. And second, I was so happy with their Christmas items. I found some stuff that I was not expecting, so I've got some good stuff. I was going up to the register and I was like, oh, I think it'll be this much. Or like, I'm gonna give myself enough, like this much to spend. And it was like half, and I was like, okay. So, yeah, I got some really good stuff. Most of it is just, it's all for styling. But the thing is I can like add on to these things and they're just like really good like base pieces. So I want to go to Target and I almost said Crate and Barrel. Not Cracker Barrel. I want to go to Crate and Barrel and potentially Anthropologie, because where the Crate and Barrel is, there is also a Crate and Barrel. I think I said all that right. There's somebody who just pulled in. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. I definitely ended up further downtown than I was expecting or going to today, but that's okay. I'm really, really happy with the stuff I got. So I made it to Target and I'm really happy because it also has another store I wanted to go to today, which is Trader Joe's. Do I need anything? Not necessarily. Do I really want to go because I don't have a Trader Joe's anywhere near me? Yes, and I have major FOMO sometimes when I see other influencers shopping there. So I'm really happy because they have a Trader Joe's, a Target, and a World Market all in the same parking lot. Like I can see all three right now. So yeah, I'm really, really excited. I'm gonna go shop. I guess shop more and just continue on with my shopping day. I don't know. I'm really happy that there's a Trader Joe's. They're here. We'll see. It might be crazy busy, but yeah, I've been like passing this Target every time I go all the way to downtown, and I'm like, it's like right off the road. It seems like it's downtown kind of a thing. And also I think just across the street is where Crate and Barrel is, or maybe it's at like the back of this shopping center. I'm not entirely sure. And then I think Anthropologie is also like 2 minutes away. So we're really happy that I picked this one, and I'm gonna go in now. Hey guys, so it's been minutes since I updated you, but I am finally home, and I thought I would show you real quick what I got from Trader Joe's, and then I'll probably show you later what I got, like shopping, but this is what I got. I got just these 3 cute little pumpkins. I just thought I'd get a couple of them, and then also the only fall thing I got is this spiced cider, and as I was walking around I remembered seeing it, and we used to actually get it when I was younger, so I picked that up. I did look at maybe getting like their pumpkin bread, or I saw they had like a cup, like another pumpkin thing or two, and I know that it's like a big fall thing to like go to Trader Joe's or just when they put out new stuff, but I couldn't have the pumpkin bread, so I was like, not really any point in me getting it. And then I was also trying to get, they have their equivalent to Oreos, but they had like all the normal kinds except for just plain chocolate. They had like pumpkin and gluten-free and all kinds of stuff. So didn't really find much, but I did get those couple things. Great. Oh, I never even talked about the wedding. I should probably talk about the wedding. The wedding was absolutely amazing. It was so pretty. The couple was so nice, and it was just so fun to check out that venue, work with the staff and everything. So yeah, it was a lot of fun, and it was great to see the girls and the team as well. So yeah, I had a lot of fun, and the venue was right downtown, so it was neat. It was neat to be in that space and that vibe, and yeah, like I said, the client was so nice, and I'm so grateful that I get to work on that team. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. I will catch you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you later. Bye.